The next best thing to eating food is talking about food. And I've got a lot to say about this incredibly tasty Tzatziki Halloumi burger. It's finally warm out, so that means grilling season, baby. But that doesn't mean meat, and more meat. Halloumi is a cheese loved for its deep, savory flavor, plus its ability to be grilled, barbecued, or fried without losing its shape. All right, so let's kick things off with a hamburger bun, or if you're feeling a little sassy, a brioche. Start off with a little crispy lettuce. And then we're gonna add some grilled red peppers. Oh yeah. And then some sauteed mushrooms. I've been grilling some halloumi on a cast iron skillet. You don't need oil for this, just give it a little bit of time to get crisp and golden. So good. All right, now we're gonna add some red onion. Oh, yes. And are you ready for it? Some summer fresh bruschetta. Some people say bruschetta, others say bruschetta. I say, get in my belly. Now this is always a must-have in my house. I literally put this stuff on everything because it's so fresh and so tasty. Oh, love it. And last but definitely not least, summer fresh tzatziki. Oh yeah. Mmm, garlicky, creamy, so good. You can use it as a dip or a spread. Finally, I finish it off with a Greek pasta feta salad on the side. Get in my belly. Ah. Enjoy with Summer Fresh. For this recipe idea and more, visit summerfresh.com.